Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Last time I showed you how to draw graphics and how to display images in a class. Today, I'll introduce more about Python. I will introduce what is an event, how to bind a function to an event, and how to handle different events. They are very useful and easy to learn. Let's go. Today, I will cover 3 topics. First is, what is event? Second is, binding a function to an event. And third is, how to handle different events. In computer science, event means some action, such as moving the mouse, pressing a key, or closing a window. For example, if I hit Enter key, I wish a graphic like the red ball to move to its right. This is a case of event in which the ball object responds to the Enter key event. To handle an event, first, you need to create a function that takes event as argument. You can give it any name to this function. tkinter uses this event parameter to send information to this function, and this function's job is to move the object, as you can see, canvas.move. Here, you see 3 numbers. First parameter means the object's ID. The second parameter means to move to the right by 5 pixels. And the third parameter means to move down 5 pixels. Next, please look at the last line, canvas.bindAll. This line is paired up with a function that takes event as argument. This line will bind press return key to this function. So whenever a return or enter key is pressed, it will move as 1, 5, 5. Here is the complete source codes. The first 7 lines are the same when we learned how to display image in the earlier tutorial lesson 11. The only difference is the addition of a new function called moveImage and another line canvas.bindAll to specify which event it will bind to. This case is to react with return key or enter key. Once enter key is pressed, the canvas will call moveImage function and it will move to the right 5 pixels and also move down 5 pixels. Later, when you see this movement, it will move in the diagonal direction to its bottom right. Please take a look at this recording. As you can see, every time I hit the enter key, it moves to its bottom right direction at around 7 pixels. It will only move when I hit the enter key. Let's take a look at another event binding example. This example is a different reaction in response to different keys. Event has different key symbols, and you can get what key is pressed when you call event.keySym. Then you can practice your if-else condition handling by breaking it down into 4 cases. If keySym equals to up, it will move up 100 pixels. Please note, in Python, when the y-coordinate is negative, it moves up. So, if you want to move down, y needs to be a positive value. Although the last case does not compare to any key symbol, it essentially means equal to right, because the other 3 cases has been eliminated. It's not done yet. Remember, we still need to have the function bind to the event. Since this time it will have different action in response to 4 keys, here, I need to individually find the function. Of course, you can write 4 different functions to find the event, but I wrote them all in one function and used event.keySym to get the information on which key is pressed to do the right action. Here is the complete source code. The first 7 lines are still the same, and I cropped this section as a separate panel. Let's take a look at the left panel. As you can see, inside moveImage, I broke it down to 4 event cases. If different key is pressed, it will have different action as discussed earlier. Next, the last 4 lines are to bind functions to each key. Here, I use same function moveImage to the 4 different events. Please take a look at this recording. As you can see, the movement is different when I press different key. The order of the keys I pressed were up key, down key, left key, right key. Congratulations! You have learned what is an event, how to bind a function to an event, and how to handle different events. Are you confident now? I will show you more tutorials on how to write Python programs in the future. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!